Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner for the week of August 12th through to the 18th. I'm like, what day is it? And this week I'll be using a new collection coming to my shop this week. It is the Paris collection in, I guess, commemoration of the Olympics that just finished. And also it is my daughter's birthday this week and she absolutely loves Paris. And I just thought this would be the perfect collection. So it comes with the deco sheet as well as the swatches and dots, the circles, and the quotes and washi. And these were all hand painted by me using fountain pen ink. So let's get started. I'm actually decorating this on Monday at 5:45 in the evening because I just transferred these to Silhouette today and print and cut them today. And I wanted to film this last week. It's just timing and how things worked out. So I'm trying to find a good, I guess, washi to go. Ooh, this washi is from According to Allie, and it's her alcohol ink washi, and I think it would look splendid. But also, I'm saying splendid like it's something that people, you know, those young kids use nowadays. Ah, here it is. Does this, no, it's a little too, I think it could work. Wow, amazing how I can get those to match. Interesting. Okay, so I'll try and use those, but also use what I have here. I'm going to use, firstly, this big sticker. Love that, of Paris right down here in the corner. There we go. And I'm going to take the quote, "We'll always have Paris," and place that here. Oh, I love that. We'll always have Paris. Then I'm going to place, oh, I love those bicycles too. I'm going to place one of these bigger circles in the corner here. And I'm going to place that with the bicycle. Whoops. There as well. Oh, I love that. Pretty. And then I can add maybe this, just a little floral detail down here. And then I think what I'll do up here is I might cut these down using, oh, wait for it. Hold on. My Paris scissors. Of course. Okay, so let's cut this down. And I'll place it, oops, I didn't cut it all the way. I'll place this here, and if my head shows in the camera, I apologize. And I'll place the other one over here. But yeah, my daughter is turning 13. I just cannot. How do I want to use this? Do I want to use the washi? Or do I want to use, I think I want to save those, but I want to use the bread, like the baguettes. And I will also put a bike up at the top, because why not? Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Then another baguette. Or no, sorry, that's the croissant. Oh, I love croissants. I remember the first time I visited Paris with my sister, their breakfast that they were serving at the hotel was literally a baguette and butter and coffee and maybe Nutella. It was amazing. And then, actually no, I don't want to add the bike. I'm gonna add just a little floral detail here as well. Cute. I love how that looks up at the top. I didn't need to use this washi, but I'm glad that it was there if I needed it. Used up that sheet, and I feel like I could put other things down as well, but I almost don't want to overwhelm everything. So I'll just leave that as is. And then these I could use actually throughout the week. Now, thinking I'm going to use my Esterbrook Esty, and this is my Once in a Blue Moon, and this has Robert Oster Fire and Ice. It may not be an exact match for the blue, but I really, really like it. So where is my, here we go. And this has, oh, I'm so in love with this nib. It has a reverse architect that was ground by Gina Salarino when I was at the Pacific Northwest Pen Show. So when I write with it reverse, it's an architect. Oh, am I running out of ink? Am I out of ink? No, I can't be. No, I can't be out of ink. Maybe it's because I hadn't used it all weekend. Because I was away all weekend and forgot to bring my pens with me. Uh-oh, what is happening? There we go. Looks like it was having some hard starts, but it's all better now. There we go. But yeah, so on one side it has this reverse architect, which is so fun. And then on the other side, it's just an extra fine nib. So I'll show you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So really, really fun nib. And I'm tempted to get a few others ground in this way as well, because they're just so fun. Then I'm going to use my Esterbrook Model J with Robert Oster Gold Antigua. Oh, they're both Rose Gold Antigua. They're both Robert Oster inks. So work out. But yeah, we went away on the weekend and I left. I had packed all of my planners and my journals, and well, there were only 2. And then I had put all of the pens that I wanted to take with me into my rickshaw case and then left that case on my desk. So I had all these plans of journaling over the weekend, which did not happen because I didn't have my pens with me. And my daughter and husband were both so sweet. They're like, use my pen. And I'm like, no, they have to match. So anyway, all right, so today, Monday the 12th, my work shift starts at 9 and then drawing in until 5:30. And the big to-dos today are to go school supply shopping, and then I have to meal plan, order groceries. I have to film this. And folding laundry. So it's going to be a busy evening because pretty much immediately after I finish filming this, I will be making dinner and then we will go to get school supplies. Then Tuesday is another busy, this whole week. Actually, then when am I not busy? When am I not busy? Because this week is my 3-year shop anniversary, and next week I am going to the San Francisco Pen Show. Put out garbage is a very important one. I'm just getting some mini icons here from my little stash. But yeah, these next couple of weeks are going to be crazy. But when is my schedule not crazy? They're not in there. They are in my other one. This one. So I have to think, you know, when is life ever super calm for me? Where are my garbage stickers? Oh my goodness. Well, that, found them. It's quite a, oh, and now where are my tweezers? Guys, I'm a mess, and I don't know where my tweezers are. It's funny how you become dependent on something like tweezers to film your plan with me's. Okay, Actually, I'm gonna place a really cute circle on top of that. Probably should have done it the other way around, but it's still cute. Gotta find my tweezers. The world feels better now that I found my tweezers. And I'm going to switch this around because, yeah, I think the order will bother me. And yeah, I'll just get a new one. Oh well, okay. So let's put a blue one down instead because I am using blue for the day. So a little circle sticker and the garbage sticker on top. Cute. All right. Oops. Then Wednesday is work. I find it funny that I'm filming this plan with me, and I think most of us, when we film plan with me's or do journaling spreads or anything like that, it can look so neat on camera, but then you don't see the big jumble of a mess that's everywhere. Thursday is going to be an interesting day because, well, actually Wednesday is Robin's birthday. Thursday we are going out for dinner, but we just need to finalize the time on that. And I also work a little earlier. So because of dinner being that evening, our usual getting groceries might have to happen on the Wednesday or the Friday. Probably the Friday. And then dinner plans, once solidified, we can figure out what we're doing. I won't write that in now, but then Friday I have a half day. And I'm not sure what the rest of the plans are for that day as of yet. Then Saturday, Henry has swimming, but my husband is driving out to, I'm not sure where actually. He's driving out with a friend to pick up a car. I don't know, something. But Henry has swimming. So Henry, swimming. No other plans for that day except probably working on orders because my new release comes out on Friday the 16th. Then on Sunday, the kids have their activities. So Henry is at Ninja, and then Robin has badminton. Are at bed. Okay, those are the things that are currently in the schedule at the moment. Oh, and what I'm going to do down here at the bottom is, I hope I have enough room here. So for my habits will be audiobook. And then I'm gonna do meditate, which I keep putting it down here, but I haven't done it. Then read 10 to 15 pages. So then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Oh, I should have done it with the other side. Oh well. But I find actually putting a habit tracker on the weekly spread makes me more likely to fill it out versus if I keep it in the yearly, it makes it harder for me to actually flip to that page to be able to track it. All right, let me just clean up quickly here. And I just realized that I did not add a little cleaning schedule for that day. So the usual bathrooms, vacuum, windows. And Henry's been doing the door handles and light switches. And I'm gonna get Robin to do her mopping that day. Okay, I think that is it for this spread, but I do know what's happening with groceries there, so that's okay to leave it blank for now. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I always feel like these are haphazard, but I feel like that's almost the entertainment part of the plan with me, is to just watch me try to make my mess cleaner. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.